Hello, welcome to my channel. These are pictures of our foundation crumbling and pushing in from the outside. Our basement was wet, mildewy, just disgusting. My husband and my dad gutted the house and found this corner crumbled. There was no block left there. It was just crumbling in. The foundation company excavated around the perimeter of the house. My husband took all the new lumber in from that hole. The 3-inch cinder block had just crumbled. It was just disintegrated. My husband, my dad, and some friends reposted the house down to new walls. They lifted it and leveled it on teleposts and built this new wall framed down to the foundation. You can see these are the steps being rebuilt. My husband built those steps. Some of the finishings started to be redone. My husband built our cabinets and our countertops. Hexagon tile meeting the maple hardwood flooring. There's some of our updates. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more renovation content.